This is feedback for Rahaf on WR1 Week 3 practice essay. I think you have some good things here. I like your example in this second paragraph. I like the way you open up the essay with your hook and a couple sentences of background information. That looks good. Things you need to change. You need to correct the format. You don't have a heading here. You don't have your ID number. Nothing. So that all needs to change when you revise this. Okay. Also, give some more effects in your intro. So when you started doing it here, but give like a couple more, 2, 3 more sentences talking about the effects, and then you transition to your thesis by saying, oh, with so many effects, it's important to look at the causes. And this essay will focus on the causes of car accidents, which are, and you need to list your causes here, 1 and 2, which are not following traffic laws, like you said here, and road problems, which you said here. So those need to be listed here at the end of your thesis. Also, your paragraph needs to be tabbed over, and you need to change the font, like I said, for format and everything. Good topic sentence here. It's not following the traffic laws. I thought that was solid. But then here you go informal by saying, which is so bad. And the careless do that every time. Like, this is so opinion, right? And so informal. So don't, have this stuff here. Just say they're not following traffic laws. The first reason why the first way that people don't follow traffic laws is going through red lights. And they give an example of that. You don't really give a clear example of here going through red lights. I think this was your really good example here. I really like this. You said, you're talking about first is the invisible speed bump. You make a point and then you go straight into your example and it's clear. It's like, you're driving and then you can't see, you can't control the car. You bump your head. You show the results of that thing. So do the same thing with that example. For ignoring a red light, for going over the speed limit, for teenagers driving. I felt that seatbelt was kind of not the right, not wearing a seatbelt, will it cause traffic accidents? Will it really cause accidents? I didn't know if that was the best idea right there. Also, concluding sentence at the end of each paragraph should be the topic sentence reversed. So not following the rules is one of the major reasons for people to get into car accidents. And again, tab over. Shouldn't have spaces between your sentences, between your paragraphs. Here you say using the cell phone while driving. That sounds like it's ignoring a traffic law, but it has nothing to do with road problems. So that shouldn't be in this paragraph because it's not related to road problems. So you need a couple more points here about road problems, how that causes traffic accidents. Then finally, it looks like this is your concluding paragraph, and it needs to be tabbed over like that. This should be all one paragraph like that. And this is not correct, right? You should say driving fast and not following the rules, or you should say road problems and not following the rules are the major 2 reasons why many car accidents are caused. And then you go into your opinion, which is not really great. Driving safely is desirable. Okay. Yes, but how do they do that? Should the government be fixing these? Should people be fixing these? Who's going to fix these invisible bumps? Who's going to make sure that people are following the rules? Give some advice that would be interesting and give a prediction after that. Make those changes, upload into WR1 Week 4 practice essay.